Hey ladies, it's Kathy. I'm here to share with you a little mini bird cage that I purchased at Michael's, and I put together a mini album, and I'm using the paper collection from Graphic 45, and it's Once Upon a Springtime, and I used the bird cage that I got that was 40% off at Michael's, and the original was $4.99 and I got it for $2.99, so a great deal. And then I added some blings on the bird cage. As you can see, I put it all around it, and then on the top I just add some trim that I got from a rack and a little bead that I got from a rack. And then I used the Tim Holtz hanging chain to hang it up. I'm going to be hanging this in my craft room. And when you open it up, let's see if I can open it. Open up like this. You take the mini out. Sorry guys, I'm doing this with one hand. And so there's my bird cage. And here's my mini. As you can see. And I used the paper collection I used to put the cover, and it say Once Upon a Time, and I have butterflies and I have bling. So that's the first page, and then up there is a Martha Stewart crown punch. Really gorgeous paper, you guys. I love this paper. And then this is my second page. I didn't put a lot of embellishment because the paper is so pretty. Here's the other one. That's a Prima flower. So I'm just going to add like small picture that I got to go print out. And here's the lace. I love that lace. Here's another one. Love the paper, you guys. It's so pretty. I didn't want to cover the paper. And I love this one. This is my favorite. With the little girl talking to the bird. And here's the other one. Then here's an acne tape. I just stick it in that I cut out. And here is Joe flower that she got from me from a swap. And here's the other one. So it's 6 page total that I did back and front. And I used all the paper except the ones that has the tags. I didn't use that one. And that's the back. So that's my mini, you guys. And I just add some trim on the top that I got from Melissa. And this gonna be in my craft room to share with everyone that comes in to my house. So I hope you try it out. And thanks for watching. Bye.